In this video, you will learn how to design a premium stage podium background quickly and easily. Go to the ChatGPT. Now type this. Suggest prompt. Premium stage podium. Color of pale blue, bright white and warm tan. Aspect ratio 1:1. Click submit. As you can see, ChatGPT give you multiple high quality prompts. Now simply copy any one prompt you like. Next, open a new chat. Type generate design and paste your prompt. Click submit. Wait a few seconds. Your luxury stage podium design is ready. You can try different prompts to create even more unique podium style. And that's how you can easily design premium podium background using AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI design tutorial.